morning, ma'am. This is my presentation about plant structures and functions. The plant body. Plants are multicellular eukaryotes with tissue systems made of various cell types that carry out specific functions. Plants' tissue system fall into one or two general types: meristematic tissue and permanent or non-meristematic tissue. Cells of the meristematic tissue are found in meristems, which are plant regions of continuous cell division and growth. Meristematic tissue cells are either undifferentiated or incompletely indifferentiated. They continue to divide and contribute to the growth of the plant. In contrast, permanent tissue consists of plant cells that are no longer actively dividing. Plant organ system. In plants, just as in animals, similar cells working together form a tissue. When different types of tissues work together to perform a unique function, they form an organ. Organs working together form organ systems. Vascular plants have two distinct organ systems, a shoot system and a root system. The shoot system consists of two portions: the vegetative, non-reproductive parts of the plant, such as the leaves and the stems, and the reproductive part of the plant, which include flowers and fruits. The shoot system generally grows above ground, where it absorbs the light needed for photosynthesis. The root system, which supports the plants and absorbs water and minerals, is usually underground. Now let's move on to reproduction. Sexual reproduction in plants requires genetic material, DNA, from two parents. The parent plants have male and female sex cells called gametes. The genetic material from the male and female gametes combines to produce offspring. This process is called fertilization. Seeds produced through fertilization contain genetic material from both parents. As a result, the offspring are not genetically identical to either of the parent plants. This genetic diversity can help them survive in the environment changes. Now, asexual reproduction in plants only requires DNA from one parent. It creates offspring that are genetically identical to the parent. Genetically identical offsprings are called clones. Clones lack genetic diversity. This makes them more susceptible to disease. It also makes them less adaptable to changes in the environment. There are different methods of asexual reproduction. They include vegetative propagation and fragmentation. Now, let's move on to functions of plants. A plant is made up of many different parts. The three main parts are the roots, the leaves, and the stem. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and anchor the plant in the ground. The stem supports the plant above ground and carries the water and minerals to the leaves. The leaves collect energy from the sun and make food for the plant using an amazing process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide, and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. Defense mechanism. The first line of defense in plants is an intact and impenetrable barrier composed of bark and a waxy cuticle. Both protect plants against herbivores. Other adaptations against herbivores include hard shell, thorns, modified branches, and spine modified leaves. They discourage animals by causing physical damage or by including rashes and allergic reactions. That is all for my assignment. Thank you po for watching, and God bless po and stay safe there. Bye-bye.